Hello there, this is Bernina Jeff in Grand Junction, Colorado. I am going to show you today a device to help you thread the needle on your sewing machine. And I have this device, it's a little needle threader, and it is on my Shopify account. And I'm putting this out there so everybody that buys it can see how to use it. It's a great needle threader if you have twin needles, or if you don't have a needle threader on your machine. You don't need to have great dexterity in your fingers. It really is a nice device. So we're going to show you how to use it today. Let's zoom in here. So it has a little triangle on the top and a triangle on the top. Either side works. You don't want to try to thread it with the triangle on the side. So you want the triangle on the top, and you get the thread horizontal. You grab that thread horizontal and slide it to the needle and gently push, and you'll feel the groove of the needle, and you slide it down to the eye, and it pushes a little loop through the eye of the needle, and there's a little hook on the end of this guy, and we will snag that loop, and it'll pull the thread right on through the eye of the needle. So we have that needle totally threaded with this cool little machine needle threader. It also has an other end on it that'll hold the needle while you put it in your machine. So let's take the needle out of your machine, put it in this end, and it actually has enough to hold the flat spot to the back. So we're holding the flat spot to the back, getting that needle in there, tightening it down, slide it out the bottom, and there we go. So I'm going to show you one more time how well this needle threader works. So you get the thread horizontal, put it through the little point of it, slide it down the groove of the needle to the tip. There's a loop to the back. Grab the loop either with your fingers or the hook of this little needle threader, and now we're all threaded. So this is Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing. My Shopify account is Bernina-Jeff Bernina-Jeff.myshopify.com. You can call us at the shop, 970-256-1293, or the website is www.hifashiongjj.com. Thanks much. Appreciate it.